he loves us so much, we receive this grace from him. His son dying on the cross was enough. Mm-hmm. Jesus died so that we can be free from sin, hell, death. Anything that you need, if you feel like you're going to sin, ask the Lord to help you. Mm-hmm. Amen. Some people don't ask the Lord to help them because they want to enjoy that sin temporarily. Amen. But God can help us through any situation in our lives. God's divine grace is favor that you do not deserve. It's God's divine help in our lives, as in overcoming temptation. When Paul asked God to take away a problem that he was experiencing, you remember that Paul asked God, and what did God say to him? My grace is sufficient for thee. The great apostle Paul, and wrote most of the New Testament, he had something that was badgering him, something that was bothering him in his life. We don't know what it is. Some people say he had eye problems. Some people say different things that they say. Some of them I don't even want to repeat. Amen. Like they say it about us too. But the apostle Paul went to God. He said, please take this thing away from me. I can't stand this anymore. Help me. And God told him, he said, my grace is enough. My grace is sufficient for you. So no matter what is battling us, no matter what is bothering us, God's grace will help us. But you can't be a defiant child. You have to ask the Lord to help you. Because in Jeremiah 33:3, what's he say? Ask. Ask of me, and see if I don't show you great and mighty things, which thou knowest not. We have to ask God first. 2 Sundays ago, we did Ask Jesus. The Sunday past, we did Simply Tell Jesus. And today, I'm saying again, ask God. Ask God.